Hey guys, Ramesh here. Today we're gonna review the new Boat Nirvana UNO earphones. So before watching, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, please. All the 2017 smartphone trend is upon 18:1 aspect ratio and also some phones without the headphone jack, but some phones with the headphone jack. So today I'm talking about the budget earphones you can buy below 1000. So this Boat Nirvana earphones cost below 1000 in Amazon. I have bought this for 800. So it was pretty awesome and sounds very good. So before watching, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. So before going to, this is the Boat Nirvana earphones, which was a very good quality and very premium look. The Bosch packaging was very good. So first look at the box. What was the content in the box? And
The
next we can
earphones
go to
does
the
look
phones.
premium.
So
The
fancy.
black color and the color of earphones was very good. And there's a black coat shaped which gives the grip to the ear and the earphones. And coming to the music, the bass was very good as I was not expected that much. The earphones are very lightweight and we can feel the premium of these earphones. And the cable also does look premium, so when we bend it cannot be bent, so when no scratches on the cable. And the cable color was also very good, so you can buy this at this price range.
And this
And coming to the headphone jack, the
3.5
headphone
mm
shape is
headphone
the
jack
L
was
shape,
very
which
well
was very
fitted.
good,
It sounds
so
very
you
good.
can keep it
The
any
premium.
phone and without bending the wire. And now coming to the microphone works pretty well, and we can control our device in many ways like voice assistant and song off and on and also move.
And they provided a case which you can carry. So let's open it. So I can see the case very sponge. So can you keep the earphones in that and you can carry from anywhere and you can put the side pocket. And as a budget of 800 you can expect this from both. So the box is pretty big, so you can.
So
So
finally, I will talk
when
about
coming
the
to the
pros and
earphones,
cons of the
I like
earphones.
the pros, the build quality. The build quality was very good and it looks like a premium rather than the plastic finish. And the next I like was the sound quality. The sound quality, the voice of the singer was very clear and very loud. And the next I like in these earphones was the bass quality. The earphones were very light, but the bass was very good. As you are a bass lover, these earphones was very suitable for you. So now coming to the overall pros, the earphones are very good in this price range because of the sound and because of the bass and because of the look and because of the design. So now coming to the cons, the wire always bounce when I put in the box, it always bounce. So it was very irritable. So this con I noticed from the earphones. Next thing I noticed were the size of the earphones. The size of the earphones was very big. So I have a big ear, so can I handle those who have small ears? They cannot handle this type of earphones. So this is the overall review of the earphones. So those who want the earphones under 1000, this should be the best. Hope you like the video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. See you soon.